Hey everybody, I'm Ethan Allred, and today we are going to be building a potato cannon.
To begin this project, I took a 4-inch ABS threaded hub and plug and attached it to the end of a 4-inch by 18-inch pipe. On the other end of the pipe, I attached a 4-inch by 3-inch reducer. Continuing from there, a 3 by 4-inch pipe, a 3-inch 90-degree elbow, a 3 by 5-inch pipe, a 3-inch 90-degree elbow, a 3 by 6-inch pipe, a 3 by 2-inch reducer, and a 2 by 4-inch pipe. From there I took a 1.5-inch by 2-inch pipe with a 1.5-inch cap and attached it to the bottom of a 2-inch by 2-inch by 1.5-inch TY fitting, which I then connected to the end of the 2-inch pipe. Using a 2-inch by 2-inch pipe, I connected a 2-inch threaded male adapter. This threaded adapter will be used to connect our interchangeable barrels, which happen to be our next step in this process. To construct a 2-inch diameter barrel, I used a 2-inch spigot to threaded female adapter and attached a 2-inch coupling. From there, attaching the desired length of 2-inch pipe. For my 1.5-inch barrel, I used a 2-inch spigot to threaded female adapter and attached a 2-inch by 1.5-inch reducer. From there, attaching the desired length of 1.5-inch pipe. Once I had all my pipes and fittings sorted out, I then glued them together with some all-purpose PVC and ABS cement. It was then time to move on to the igniter. For this project, I chose to use a manual barbecue sparker. Finding a good place to mount your sparker can be a little bit difficult. I found it best to put it right behind the handle as a thumb click. I then inserted screws into the side of the 4-inch pipe to transfer the spark to the barbecue lighter into the inside of the chamber. Once everything was secure and seemed to be working properly, it was time to go test it out.
Okay, so we're back outside and we are going to test this thing. Something I did to this barrel is I actually carved the edges and beveled them, and that makes so when you stick a potato in, it just carves off the sides and makes it a perfect fit. Makes a nice and airtight fit. Then you're gonna take a ramrod, so the potato is set, and we're gonna go set the pumpkin up and see what happens. Woohoo! So that was with the 2-inch barrel. We're gonna switch it out for the 1.5 inch. See how this does. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.